Welcome to the guide on how to use AI to make money online. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized various industries, including online money-making opportunities. One way to leverage AI for profit is through automated online trading platforms. These platforms use AI algorithms to analyze market trends and make real-time trading decisions. By investing in such platforms, you can potentially earn profits without actively managing your investments. Another way to make money online using AI is through content creation tools. AI-powered tools can help you generate unique and engaging content for your blog, website, or social media channels. By creating valuable and relevant content, you can attract more traffic and increase your online revenue. Additionally, AI can be utilized in digital marketing strategies to optimize advertising campaigns. AI algorithms can analyze user behavior and preferences to deliver personalized ads that are more likely to convert. This targeted approach can help you maximize your returns on advertising spending. Furthermore, AI chatbots can enhance customer service and support on your online platform. By incorporating AI chatbots, you can provide real-time assistance to your customers, improving their overall experience. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and repeat business. In conclusion, the opportunities to make money online using AI are vast and varied. By leveraging AI technology in areas such as trading, content creation, digital marketing, and customer service, you can potentially increase your online income and grow your business. So, consider exploring the possibilities of AI in your revenue-generating endeavors today.